Okay guys, so we're here in Glamis, California again with Zoe FPV. We're gonna go out into the sand dunes. We're gonna have a little bit of competition here to see between each of us who can get more cinematic FPV footage out here in the sand dunes. It's a pretty windy day, but it is looking really good. The sun is starting to set, so we're gonna get some great golden hour shots. And we're super excited to see who's gonna do better at this. We'll let you guys decide. But we're gonna head out there, we're gonna go get our individual shots, make our individual videos out of it, and you guys decide who did better. So let's head out there and let's get flying.
Good luck.
You'll need it.